Saturday morning, been waiting on it all week. I crawl up in my deer stand. Now, my deer stand set about 30 yards back in the woods where there's fence row because deer will set up out in the woods while they wait for dark to jump out and go feeding in a pasture. And so I'm sitting back there waiting on my deer, and sure enough, here he comes. He's got a big, nice rack. I draw, send it. Beautiful shot. Beautiful shot. Deer takes off, goes about 30, 40 yards on the other side of the fence, falls over. So I can get down off the stand. I'm going to cross over the fence. Now here's the thing. Me and my neighbor don't get along. He's told me to stay off his property. But Arkansas Game and Fish says you can't leave an animal to waste. So I have to go get the deer. It would be unethical to leave the deer. Can I go get that deer? Well, under Arkansas's trespassing statute, you cannot go get that deer. It is trespassing to enter onto someone else's property to recover wild game, even if that wild game is injured or deceased. So the regulations say you have to do it, but they say you can't do it or it's a violation of the law unless you have permission. And in Arkansas, that permission has to be written. So you need to think about that. If you're hunting next to an adjoining property and you believe that wild game can get there after injury, you need to get that permission.